So we'll start with the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Okay. So formula you have to remember, like sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Then cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Okay, then now look, in type 1, if you convert it, you have to remember sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. From here you can get cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta sec square theta minus 1. This formula to you have to remember. Okay, then cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta. Then cot square theta cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, this is one type. Other one you see sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. This also you have to remember. Cos theta by sin theta equals to cot theta. Sec theta 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta 1 by sin theta. This identity you have to learn by heart. Okay, suppose look at this formula. Angle should be same. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Suppose I get a question. Evaluate sin square 29 degree plus cos square 29 degree by sec square 31 degree minus cosec cot tan square 31 degree. How much it will be? Look, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, then sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. That means if the angle is same, it will be 1. The angle is same here, 29, 29. So this will be 1. This is also 1 because angle is same. That is 1. Okay, now look, another question on this. Okay, complementary angle is not in the syllabus. So first two questions are on complementary angles. So we'll start question number 4. What is the value of What is the value of 9 sec square A 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A? So 9 common. So 9 common means 9 times sec square A minus tan square A. So 9 into, because sec square minus tan square is 1. So the answer is 9. Okay. Similarly, there is another question. Look at here. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Second part of question number 4. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. This is how much? So here you have to remember everything. Look, multiply first. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into cot theta. 1 into minus cosec theta plus tan theta into 1 tan theta. Tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta cosec theta. Tan theta cosec theta. Tan is gone, then sec theta into 1 is sec theta. Sec theta into cot theta minus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, so what to do is, let's simplify. This is 1 cot theta minus, let's write it in group form, then it will be easy for us. Look at here. 1 cot is cos theta by sin theta. Cosec is 1 by sin theta. Formula I gave just now. Tan is sin theta by cos theta. Remember, tan theta into cot theta. This one is 1. Formula. Tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. This is the formula. So, what you have to do is, then this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, then minus tan theta is minus sin theta by cos theta into cosec is 1 by sin theta. This is gone. Then sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta into cot theta is cos theta by sin theta minus sec theta is 1 by sin theta. Cosec is 1 by cosec theta. Okay, so bit diminished. Try to see. So what will you find? That is, look, which one is getting cancelled? This will remain 1 plus 1 plus, there is problem I think with the marker. Let us see. Cos theta by sin theta. This is minus 1 by sin theta. This is sin theta by cos theta plus 1 again minus sin theta. The sin cancelled here. The 1 by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Here plus 1 by cos theta, then cos cancelled, 1 by sin theta plus 1 by sin theta, then minus 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. Okay, look, this is cancelled, this is also cancelled. So what did you get? Then you are getting 1 cos theta by sin theta, then plus sin theta by cos theta, then 1 plus 1, you can write 2 here, then minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. This is only left out. So look, these two you try to simplify. This is 2 plus, what is LCM? Sin theta cos theta. Now this cos will be multiplied, cos square theta, sin will be multiplied, sin square theta, minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. So what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. So that will be two plus 1 by sin theta cos theta, then 1 by sin theta cos theta. This is also cancelled. So that is 2. 2 is the answer. Okay. Then see the next one. Next is, what is sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. What is, there is some problem I think. then okay, question is sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Next question, sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, so that will be one by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Because sec is 1 by cos a, this is sin a by cos a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, LCM is cos a, this is 1 plus sin a, this is 1 minus sin a. Okay, then what did you get? A plus b, a minus b, a square means 1 square minus sin square a by cos a. What is the formula of 1 minus sin square a? Since 1 minus sin square a equals to cos square a. So this will be cos square a. Cos square a by cos a. The one cos cancel, cos a. Okay. So this is the answer. Like this, if you remember formula, then it is easy for us. Now look, what is 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. Now 1 plus tan square a 1 plus cot square a. So what is 1 plus tan square a? Sec square a formula है by cosec square a, because 1 plus cot square is cosec square a. So what did you get? This is 1 by cos square a, because sec is 1 by cos, cosec is 1 by sin. So that will become 1 by cos square a. This will be sin square a by 1. Sin square a by 1. So what did you get? That will become, what is sin square a by cos square a? Tan square a. Sin square by cos square is, because sin by cos is 10. Okay. Then prove the following identities. Question number 5. Prove the following identities. Prove the following identities. Okay, what is the identity here? Like, prove that first question, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so how to do? You will start from right hand side. What is right hand side? Now 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So what you do is denominator का conjugative multiply. That means 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. इसका conjugate is 1 minus cos theta. Okay, remember this type of question, denominator का conjugate you have to multiply. Got it? So what you have to write here is, that will become, look, a plus b, a minus b. That will be a plus b, a minus b. That is, first what is numerator? 1 into 1, 1 minus cos theta, or let's write a minus b is a minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, so this became how much? 1 minus cos theta whole square by, what is 1 minus cos square theta? Formula I am given you, sin square theta. That is sin square theta. So look at here, this is also square, this is also square. So you can write 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. You can write, then that will be 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, then what is 1 by sin theta? Na cosec theta. That will become cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, so same method I am asking you 3 questions as homework. Prove that cosec theta plus cot theta whole square equals to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Like its conjugate is 1 plus cos theta. If you multiply, same method you will get it. Okay, second, sec theta minus tan theta whole square. How much you will get? This is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Same, its conjugate you multiply, you will get the answer. Then sec theta plus tan theta whole square 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Just like this question, same method, only conjugative multiply, you will get this, conjugative multiply, you will get this, conjugative multiply, you will get this. Conjugate means if it is 1 minus sin theta, you have to multiply 1 plus sin theta. If it is 1 plus sin theta, you have to multiply 1 minus sin theta. If it is 1 minus cos theta, you have to multiply 1 plus cos theta. Okay, complete this, then new question tomorrow.